Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn how to permanently delete your Telegram account. Before you start, please keep in mind that deleting your account is completely irreversible, and it will permanently wipe all your messages, groups, media, and contacts from Telegram's servers. First, open your preferred web browser on your phone or computer and navigate directly to the Telegram My Account activation portal at my.telegram.org. Enter your international phone number linked to your Telegram account, including the plus sign and your country code, and click Next. Telegram will instantly send a confirmation code to your active Telegram application on your phone, so open the app, copy that alphanumeric code, and paste it into the confirmation box on the web browser. Click the Sign In button to load your primary Telegram account management dashboard. Look at the main options menu layout on your display screen and click directly on the link labeled Delete Account. The browser page will load a final account deactivation layout detailing what will happen to your data, along with an optional feedback text box where you can state why you are leaving. Move your cursor to the bottom of the form interface and click explicitly on the button labeled Delete My Account. A red warning pop-up dialog box will appear on your screen asking for final confirmation. So click the button labeled Yes, Delete My Account to execute the command. The Platform Database Framework will instantly purge your profile, destroying your cloud session keys, removing your username from search lists, and permanently terminating your Telegram footprint. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future project. Thank you for watching.